my channel Install Literate. In today's video, we will learn how to install Java in our local system. So without any delay, let's start the video. First, open your web browser and on Google type Oracle Java and press enter. Now click on the official Oracle website from the search result. Now click on the download Java button. Scroll down and choose your operating system, that is Windows, Mac OS or Windows. For this tutorial I will select Windows. Now you will see different installer option. Choose x64 installer and click on this link. The file will start downloading. Once download, click on the .exe file to start the installation process. It takes few seconds. The Java setup wizard will open. Click next. Confirm the installation folder. I choose default and click next. The installation will take a few moments. When it's done, click close. Java is now successfully installed on your computer. Now let's check if the installation was successful. First, open the start menu and type cmd. Click on the command prompt to open it. Now in the command prompt window, type Java space -- version and press enter. If Java is installed correctly, you will see something similar to this. If you see a version name like this, it means Java is successfully installed on your system. If you see an error such as Java is not recognized as an internal or external command, it means Java is either not installed or not added to the system. And that's it for today's video. Java is now installed and you know how to check it using the version command. If you got an error, don't worry, just reinstall Java or make sure your path is set correctly. And if you still face any issue, just leave a comment and I will help you out. Make sure to like, share and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.